Okay, starting lesson 2.1, mean, median, and mode. The mean is the average of a set of numbers. To find the mean or average of a set of numbers, you have to add all the numbers up and divide by the amount of numbers that were added. So for example 1, John's first 5 test scores in chemistry were 65, 92, 81, 77, and 95. What is his mean score, or in other words, what is the average score? So since I'm adding up 5 different quantities, I divide by 5. I have 410 divided by 5, which is 82. Done. All right, part B. Claudia's first 3 test scores in U.S. history were 78, 100, and 95. What's the mean score? So I'm going to divide by 3, and I get 91. All right, on to the next example. The blank is the blank number of an blank set of numbers. Okay, so the median is the middle number of an ordered set of numbers. All right, if there's no middle number, then you're going to find the mean or the average of the 2 middle numbers. So for example 2, Nancy is collecting data for the price of Gatorade at various markets. The prices are shown below. What is the median price? Okay, first thing you have to do is order the set of numbers. So let's see, what's the lowest? 120. All right, then I have 155. Then I have 170. Then I have 190. And then I have 230. All right, what's the middle number? 170. That's the median. Done. For part B, the data below shows the number of points scored by Lakers in the past 6 games. All right, let's see here. Let's order the numbers. 95, 97, 101, 103, 111, and 118. All right, so here I got those 2 numbers. So 101 plus 103 divided by 2. So 204 divided by 2. That means the median is 102. All right, there was no middle number. So as I said before, find the average of the 2 middle numbers. All right, the blank, the mode, is the number seen most in a set of numbers. So note, make a list to help identify the mode. Example 3, 10 people in a survey were asked what their favorite number was. The numbers are shown below. All right, so what numbers do we have? We have a 3, we got a 5, we got a 2 as well, we got a 5, we have 7, 10, 11, and 21. All right, how many times do we see the number 2? I'm just writing out tally marks here. See it 1 time. How about the number 3? We see it 1 time. The number 5, 2 times. The number 7, 3 times. Number 10, 1 time. Number 11, 1 time. Number 21, 1 time. So there's 3 tally marks for number 7. That's the number we see most. That's the mode. Part B, a list for the numbers of days for each month of the year is shown below. Find the mode of the list. Okay, what numbers do we have here? We got 28, We got 30, and we have 31. All right, how many times do we see 28? One time. How many times do we see 30? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. And 31, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, 7 times. So 31 is the mode for this list of numbers. All right, that's all there is to this lesson. If you have any questions, please make sure to ask. Begin the assignment.